There we go. Okay, start over.
1957 Chevy. This one's gonna be a good one for someone. We got all the front end in, all the lights are in. As you can see, how we put the turn signal lenses in. We got brand new brake lines up underneath it. Basically, the frame looks really good.
Yeah. You said 57. Did you mean 58? You have that 57
yeah,
on the mind.
No. If I
Oh,
said
yeah.
57, I'm sorry, but
No, I know what you... And the double headlights, people know right away.
yeah. It's just something that really well. We got one more big patch to do inside the bed. We'll be including the side glass for the doors,
Oh,
for the back window, some other parts and stuff. We'll lay it all out.
Fleet side.
As you can see, the emergency brake's still in place.
Oh, sorry. Try to go slow. I always go too fast.
Yeah, original back. We have to patch in this piece here, which we got today, and
Oh,
the other bill will be out to weld that in. The wheel wells to put in.
yep. And the ribs.
I've got the tail lights in, the tailgate chains in. We got
Yep.
new tailgates coming out.
New hinges.
This one and one more.
Oh, how much are you asking? What's the...
This will be $8,500.
8,500
Asking price.
asking pro or best offer? You're willing to haggle?
OBO.
OBO. Contact Judy.
It's not going to be with something for us to put totally together, but there'll be for somebody else to
Oh my God, we have so many projects.
put it all together.
We're doing this today. We'll do a Will It Run later. I'm tearing down another Suburban. We're gonna have all kinds of fun. What well, what motor is this set up for now?
It's set up for a 235.
Oh,
straight
okay.
6. Still at the 4-speed training.
So if you wanted to put something else in it, you'd have to do you'd have to
It's up to you
DIY it.
What you want to do. Actually, it's not the 4-speed. It's just got a plate in there. So
Oh, okay. Let me see. Show the ladies and gentlemen.
when you
at
get
home.
here, we can change stuff out. Change it for anything you want. Other parts that we don't change out right away, you're going to wind up buying once you pay it and walk out of here
Yeah.
with this.
One day we'll be like Home Depot. We'll have little workshops. How to do a carburetor. How to replace a master cylinder.
So yeah, little by little, this one's getting put together.
Dog
Then
Patrol.
The next one will be coming in.
58. And this is an Apache or just a 58? Does it have to have the chrome to make it official?
No, it's just the title.
Okay.
That fender's from a 59,
Oh,
but they're still the same thing, 58,
Yeah.
59. You just have to tack those holes in. If you want the chrome badges on the fenders,
he'll sell them to you. Don't worry. She's a beauty. I'm going to make a second video. We'll bring her down so you can see inside the cab because...
well, we can do that.
Is everything out of the way? I didn't want to...
Put you on pause a minute if you got
Oh,
it.
that's a good idea.